Hi everyone, my name is Chef Aaron and welcome back to the Flavor Box. I'm here at the 7-Star Culinary Institute and would love to say that you can be a part of us and learn some culinary basics from a diploma, certificate and any short course. We are running an August intake, so don't be late. Let's find out what we are making today, guys. So today we are making a classic East African tea. That's Dawa tea, people. And this is also called a healing tea. Let's get started, man. So we have cardamom pods that I'm going to use. I have bay leaf and then I have some ginger. Nicely cut out, the skin has been peeled away. And so you just want to grate that. And now what I'm going to do is to pop my cardamom pods for some flavor and then bay leaf. And now this is going to steam away. It's going to simmer for about 10 minutes and then we'll be right back to sieve it out. And when we sieve it, it goes straight into our cup and we'll be mixing beautiful lemon and honey. If you don't have honey, I would say, again, use sugar. And I'm going to move right here, cut my lemons. You just need about maybe half and half. If you want it stronger, you would go a little more than that, maybe 1.5 lemon. Squeeze that up in there and just make sure you don't have any seeds staying in there. So I pick up all those seeds. Like I said, these seeds can turn out very bitter. So I have a whole lemon in there. Then I'm going to heat it up with my honey. Look at that. Oh boy. That's just gonna go in there. And then stir that. Now, guys, when you go into the restaurant and you have a teaspoon and tea to stir, I want you to go back and forth. Don't do this anymore. Come on, guys. No. I love what I have right here. My God. Let's go in, people. Ooh. Oh my God. That ginger just hit right.